Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
What's up guys, welcome back to the course. In this video, we're going to learn step by step on how to create ad videos for both YouTube ads and TikTok ads using AI tool called invideo.io, right? So it is basically AI text to video generator where you can type in whatever you want. You can convert text or scripts into a video automatically using AI, guys. As you guys can read here, create, publish, worthy videos on day one. And if you click on in Video Studio, there is a particular feature available on this platform. It's called Video Ad Maker. So we're just going to click on it and then click on Create Video Ads now. But before that, make sure that you created your account first. So just click on Sign Up. All right, just click Sign Up, and as you guys can see, I've already logged in. But if you haven't created your account, just click Sign Up for free, and you will need to enter your email address, your name, or there's another options. You can also sign up using your Gmail account. So just click on it and then pick whichever email that you want to be registered on this platform, guys. So yeah, as you guys can see now, I'm being redirected to my dashboard, and what I want you to do next is to click on dashboard and click on AI text to video. All right, so just click on it. As you guys can see, there are many templates available here that you can customize. So since we're going to be selling this product, right, we're going to be selling this wireless head messenger. So we're going to pick the template that is relevant to the product that we're selling. Okay, so there are many different templates that you can use and customize, guys. So just keep scrolling down. I'm still trying to find the one that is most suitable with my product. So I guess I'm going to pick this one, right? So I'm going to click on it, and as you guys can see here, we have three options: landscape 16:9, square 1:1, or portrait 9:16. So it really depends on the intentions of creating this ad video, right? So if you want to display this ad video on YouTube, then I recommend you to go with the first options, 16:9. But if you want to display this ad video on TikTok, then go with the third options, 9:16. All right, so since I'm going to create this video for YouTube, so I'm just gonna go with this one, 16:9. So I'm going to click on use template. All right, very cool. So now we're going to enter our product descriptions. So I'm going to utilize ChatGPT this time to generate us the script. All right, generate me the ad copy for YouTube ads video. So that's going to be my prompt, and obviously I will need to let ChatGPT know about the product that I'm selling, and also like the specifications of the product, right? So I am selling wireless head messenger. Well, I'm gonna fix this really quick. And I also need to let ChatGPT know about the product descriptions, right? So I'm going to copy and paste these informations, right? And then paste this informations here. Okay, so now ChatGPT is going to generate us the ad copies. All right, so just wait. Okay, very cool. So now what we're going to do next is to copy and paste these ad copies, right? And then we're going to create a video using InVideo. So let's copy and paste that here. And what I want you to do next is to click on create scenes, right? Okay, so as you guys can read, hey, that's too much text for one scene. Do you want us to rearrange it for you? So yes, just click yes. So I'm going to click create scene, and then now it is generating us the video. So just wait. Usually doesn't take too long. It might take you like couple seconds. I don't think it's going to be very long. Okay, so just wait, guys. If it is too long, then I might just skip this part and I'll return once the video has been processed, right? Because I didn't want the video to be very long. Okay, so now while still waiting, I'm going to let you know one more thing about this platform, guys. So if you go to your dashboard and click on templates, there are more than 5,000 templates that you guys can use and customize, all right? And you can also filter the template based on the aspect ratio, like landscape, square, or portrait. You can also filter it based on its category, for example, like promos, ads, what else? Slideshow. So for example, if you're looking for templates for your ad video, just filter it based on ads, right? Look at this. All of these are pre-made templates for ad videos, guys. Look at this. Many of them here, right? You can also filter it based on industry, for example, like fashion or e-commerce. So I'm going to check e-commerce, and as you guys can see, all of these are pre-made template, ready-to-use templates for e-commerce products. Look at this. Very cool, right? Okay, so now it's still loading. Well, the process took like a couple minutes, so I decided to skip that part because I didn't want the video to be super long, guys. As you guys can see now, the video has been processed. It is consisted of several different scenes. If you scroll down here, that's like this first scene, the second scene, the third scene, so forth and so on. So let me play the first scene. So you're just going to click on this play button. Okay, introducing the ultimate wireless health messenger. Looks pretty cool, right? So can you imagine that how long it will take you if you need to create the video manually from scratch? It will take you like a couple hours or even days, right? However, it only took us like 3 to 5 minutes to generate the video from text from ad copy that we generated using ChatGPT, guys. So yeah, it was very time efficient. So if you want to download this, very easy, just click on download. All right, just click on download, and you have two options. So the first one is HD or 720p. So if you're on a free account, you can only download your video with this quality. However, if you have premium subscriptions, you can also download your video as a full HD, which is 1080p, right? So since we are on the free account, so I'm just gonna go with the first options, and then I'm going to click export. Okay, very cool. So now it is downloading our video or ad video. It might take like a couple seconds or maybe minutes, depending on the durations of the video. Usually the longer the video, the longer it will take to download, right? Okay, cool. Now it is rendering the video. The process might take a while, so I might just skip that part, guys. Okay, so that's how you utilize in video to create an ad video, guys. Very simple, very easy, right? You can create the video from text, from ad copy in less than 3 minutes. Very cool. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video. We're going to learn how to utilize tool number 9, which is Steve AI, to create the ad video for our YouTube ads and TikTok ads campaign. I'll see you guys there.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.